Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a Gundam assemble. This is Barbatos and we're going to do him in black and white manga style. Super easy build, but for those of you who are new to all this, you're going to want to get a nipper. God Hand is a pretty good brand. Actually, it's a very good brand. And some sandpaper or some sanding for Gundams. So when you want to nip your Gundams, your parts out of your sprues, you want to use the flat end of your nipper on towards the parts that you're removing from the sprue. So be careful where you're going with this and make sure that the flat end is towards the piece that's coming out. And you want to make sure not to cut out a part of the Gundam by accident. So always make sure to see where the connection actually is, and then use your nipper. And once you've done all of that, you're gonna have all of the pieces available for you to assemble. And while you're doing this, you want to make sure to try to remember where you cut so that you can actually sand down. Some of the plastic might be left over. The nippers don't usually get everything in one cut. So you want to sand it down and pass your finger. Just make sure it's nice and smooth so that when you prime it, it's not gonna show or be in your model. So I use these alligator clips on each different piece and then prime them with a white matte spray for this build. You can also assemble completely the Gundam and then prime it with a spray, but I like to do it this way. So I'm going to use this Army Painter primer matte white. So matte white is a nice good base if you want to paint miniatures, especially if you're going to do let's say a white and black manga style like this one. A really good tip is also to take a look on your phone. Google some images of the Gundam that you're doing. Google it in black and white, and it's going to give you some options, some ideas, some inspiration, and you just want to copy that basically. If you have one of these, which is super practical, it's really good at painting small little things like miniatures. You also want to probably get the Micron graphic pen here, or an ink pen like this that's really pointy and small. And basically what you want to do is just outline everything you can as straight as you can, and don't worry about making a mistake. If you make a mistake, you can fix it after with some white paint. But you could also use a Sharpie or anything you have that's black or that has ink. And what's cool about this is that because it's hand painted, also matches the hand drawn thing that a manga looks like. So even if you make it a little bit off, it's fine. It just basically looks like it was hand drawn, right? So don't worry about making mistakes. All you have to do is take a really pointy black pen and outline every little thing on your Gundam piece by piece, and then assemble it. If it's already assembled, it's going to be a little bit harder, but yeah, just outline everything. For this staff, I just made like a straight line going through it, and again, it doesn't have to be super straight because this is basically a drawing, right? So it's fine if it's not straight and a little bit crooked. And with some white here, I'm just going over the shoulder pad here because I made a mistake. And once you fix all the little mistakes with some white paint, it's gonna come out looking pretty good. And you know, once in a while you can do those two little black lines that all the manga figures have and everything like that. So yeah, easiest paint job and build. And if you do your whole team like that, it's gonna look pretty sick. I also did a video on how to do manga style but color, if you want to go take a look at that. But yeah, I think this is the easiest way to paint maybe your first army. Just prime it white, outline it in black, and if you're really good at shading, add some shading, and it's gonna look pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.